Professional mode not showing on your Facebook. Try these 7 proven fixes. Let's begin. Make sure you're using a personal profile, not a Facebook page. You also need to be 18 or older. Go to your App Store and update the Facebook app. On desktop, clear your browser cache. Or switch to a different browser. Sometimes the option only appears when Facebook is set to English, US. Go to Settings, Language and change it. Try using Facebook Lite. Or visit m.facebook.com. This version sometimes reveals hidden features like professional mode. Logging out and back in. Can refresh your account and fix missing options. Still not working? Try using a different device. Sometimes the option appears only on certain phones or browsers. If it still doesn't appear, report the issue to Facebook. Go to Help and Support, tap Report a problem. Select Profile, and explain that professional mode is missing from your profile. You can also copy and paste the message provided in the description below. Still not showing? Don't worry, Facebook might be rolling it out gradually. Like this video, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments.